Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've been talking a lot about AI agents tackling complex tasks. But often, the real power comes not from a single agent, but from teams of agents working together. And just like any effective human team, the secret sauce is often communication. Today, we're diving into multi-agent communication, why it's absolutely fundamental to making these systems work, and how it unlocks incredible potential. Think of any complex goal, building a skyscraper, running a city's transportation system, or even just putting on a big event. No single person does it all. It requires a team, and that team relies heavily on talking to each other, sharing information, and coordinating their efforts. Multi-agent systems are no different. Communication is at the very core of collaboration for AI agents. It's what enables them to move beyond individual tasks and function collectively to achieve things that would be impossible for any one agent alone. This collective behavior, driven by effective communication and coordination, is what makes these systems adaptable, scalable, and ultimately more accurate. So, what kind of communication are we talking about? Agents need to share information. This could be real-time data about their environment. Maybe one agent monitoring traffic flow shares congestion data with another. Or it could be sharing what they've learned. If one agent figures out an efficient way to handle a specific type of task, it can share that policy or experience with others, improving the overall system without every agent having to learn from scratch. Communication is also the primary mechanism for coordination and problem solving. When tasks are interdependent, agents need to talk to figure out who does what and when. They might negotiate resources, break down a big problem into smaller, manageable pieces, assign those pieces to specialized agents, and adjust their actions dynamically based on what the rest of the team is doing and the overall goal. Now, agents don't always have to talk directly to each other. Communication can happen directly, like sending a message, or it can be indirect, for example, by one agent changing something in their shared environment that another agent perceives and reacts to. We see the vital role of agent communication in so many real-world applications. This principle of collaborative communication is also being applied directly within AI development frameworks, particularly in complex domains like text-to-SQL. Frameworks like MaxSQL and SQL FixAgent are explicitly designed as multi-agent collaborative systems. In MaxSQL, agents like the selector, decomposer, and refiner communicate and work together to handle the complexities of large databases, understand intricate queries, and refine the generated SQL for accuracy. Similarly, in the SQL FixAgent framework we discussed previously, agents like the SQL Reviewer, Query Crafter, and SQL Refiner, often powered by different LLMs, communicate to detect semantic errors in generated SQL, propose fixes, and refine the output based on feedback loops. This explicit collaboration through communication is key to improving the semantic consistency of the generated queries. Even the architecture of a multi-agent system influences communication. Centralized networks, where agents communicate through a central hub, can simplify communication management, though they might introduce a single point of failure. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let